How to activate your Barclays card. Now, if you received a new card, whether a debit or a credit card, and then you wish to activate your card, you can do so by using the Barclays mobile application. So once you've downloaded the Barclays application, go ahead and then open it up, and by default, this is the type of interface you will see. Now you can go ahead and then log into your account, but even when you're on the login page, over here you'll find the option that says activate your new card. So all you have to do there is to simply tap on the activate your new card button. Then when you tap on activate your new card, on the next page you can see whether you're an existing card member or a new card member. If you're existing one, you can select that, simply enter your username and password, log into your mobile banking to activate it. Otherwise, if you're a new card member, you can simply enter the account number on your card, security code, the last 4 digits of SSN or ITIN, then tap the activate button to activate it. This way you'll be able to activate your card on Barclays. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.